My dog is gone. I want it back. Have you seen my dog? No, I haven't seen your dog. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my dog? No, I've not seen any dogs around here. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my dog?
No! Why are you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any dogs anywhere. I would not steal a dog. Don't ask me any more questions.
Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my dog? I haven't seen anything all day. I've been trying to bake a cake. Would you like me to help you? Yes, please. Have you seen my dog? I saw a dog once. It was big and fluffy. My dog doesn't look like that. Thank you anyway. Have you seen my dog?
What's a dog?
Thank you anyway. Nobody has seen my dog. What if I never see him again? What if nobody ever finds him? My poor dog. I miss him so much.
What's the matter?
I have lost my dog. And nobody has seen it.
Well, what does your dog look like?
He was small and rocky. I have seen my dog. You! You stole my dog! I love my dog. Excuse me? Have you seen a shrimp with a dog? No. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any shrimps around here. I would not kill a shrimp. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay. Thank you anyway.